Alright, so this is just the prototype. Try to figure out how I can get some extra energy from the exhaust. So how you see, this is the Chinesium diesel heater, oil heater. They use for the trucks, camping and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use this in the garage. So what I did, I sacrifice baseboard from previous job, switch to the cast iron the customer doesn't want. So instead of end up in the scrub, I put it here. I just try to test it. So eventually this pipe is going to be shorter with a heat shield, and I don't think it's matter if you mount this upside down or sideways. That's completely, I don't think so it's matter. It works the same way. And yeah, so this is the radiator fins. I don't know how you call it, but let me tell you, it can hold. Even this is like maybe 4 feet section. So right here I can hold. I don't have the infrared thermometer, but here, yes, I can hold it. And there's the part. This gets around 60 Celsius. I think so. I don't know how much is in Fahrenheit, but yeah, right here. This is like 6 feet from here to there. So still gonna be recycle some, renew some energy. It's still warm blowing here. I don't want to. It doesn't make sense. I have a second one. I thought about to put it extra, but it's not gonna make much heat because of the length, the radiation, the heat exchanging. I mean, yeah. So yeah, just gonna try to hook this up and hook on the wall and see what happens. See ya.